bro. I still didn't get the second one. Okay, let me try it again.
The way you move, the way you groove, it turn me on. The way you wear that thing is like you Rihanna.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Danica. It's always a pleasure to have you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna get right into today's video. Alright, so today's video is actually a collaboration with Minteye, who is a contact lens company, and they reached out to me and gave me the opportunity to choose 4 pairs of contact lenses to share with you guys. The first pair being these ones, and I'm just gonna insert a very small clip of me attempting to insert these into my eyes. Keep in mind, this is my first time wearing contact lenses ever, so it was a little bit nerve-wracking, but I will try my best to showcase all of the lenses in this video. But I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the packaging. I'm gonna insert a clip on how it originally came, and let me just say that presentation is always key. First impressions really count, and I was so impressed by the way the packaging was. They really put thought into how they packaged this package that they sent to me, and I absolutely love that. I love it, love it, love it. The lashes also seem like good, not the lashes, the lenses also seem like good quality, but like I said, I have never worn contact lenses before, so I do not know what to look for. But I do know that these contacts, usually when people wear contacts, they have like the really weird ring around it. And these ones, all the ones that I chose, and from what I've seen on the website, all of them, even if you could see these ones in my eye, they look like they could be my real freaking eyes. Like, they do not look fake, and I absolutely love that. If you're going for a contact lens, try to make it look as natural as possible. And I feel like they did the damn thing when they did that with these ones. Like, it's so natural looking. Sorry for staring like a weirdo, but absolutely love them. I'm gonna try my best, like I said, to showcase the other 3 pairs, but the colors that I got are the ones that I'm wearing right now, which is called Gray Mocha. They also sent me Green Hannah, Blue Gray Crystal, and Green LA Girl. I think that's how you call the name. So I got 4 pairs. Packaging, like I said, is to die for. Super cute. Check it out here. All right, so I got the first one open. I just peeled it back like that. Just place it down. So. And what I am doing right now is just taking this little container that they sent and pouring the liquid into there along with, no, the lash is still in here, so I just poured out the excess of liquid into the container. And then I'm gonna take my finger and take it up. Here goes that thing. What? Second attempt. Are you gonna come off, or you just want to stay on my hand forever? Okay. Third attempt. Oh God. Bruh. Okay, this is it. Like, I should have probably watched some YouTube videos on how people put contacts in their eye. I'm not gonna look at the camera. I'm gonna look down and try to. Oh gosh.
Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face in action. These days, oh my, yeah. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. And it pretty mixed up. But this life shit ain't no bad. Bloody, bloody murder. There ain't no second chances. Shit crazy.
Before we close out, I would love to give a huge shout out to Minteye for sponsoring today's video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check them out. And I will see you guys in the next one.